Hi there, welcome back. So in the last movie you learned that how to create your graphics for Google Plus, and we have also uploaded it and tested it. Here you can see this is what we have done in the last movie. There is actually our profile cover and there's actually profile picture, and this is the name of course, and this looks good to me. Great. So now in this movie we're actually going to focus on that how to create channel image or channel art for our YouTube channel. Yeah, we're actually going to create our channel image here. So this is just a default channel image I place here. Let me just show you. If I go to here and go to edit channel art here and go to gallery here, and here you can just choose anyone you wish right now, and it's actually going to display here. So this is just default one, but we are going to create our own. But here's the most important thing, that if you're creating your graphics for YouTube channel, it's really important to just think about it. That's how it's gonna look on any desktop, smart TVs and mobile. So you should make your graphic which is looks good also in TVs. So how to do that? Well, don't worry, I'm going to show you in this movie. But before that, here's one thing is noticeable. You can see here, this is actually our profile picture here, and it's picking up from here. You can see I have uploaded here and it's going to pick it from here. So we're not going to focus on that how to design this one. We're actually going to only focus on that how to create this awesome channel art here. Obviously I'm going to make use of this one, but in this fashions. It simply means it's going to look awesome in desktop, TVs and mobiles. Great. Well, for that let me go to here, and you can see here you just visit their support.google.com youtube/answer, and then this particular ID I guess, because go ahead type it, and this is EN means simply in English I guess, and that will be fine. Great. So now here you can see this is create or edit channel art here, and if I go down here you can see add or change your channel art here. So you can just go ahead, hit computer, and here it will actually going to show you that how you actually add your channel image or remove channel image. Great. So I'm not interested in that one. Actually I'm interested in here. Let me show you. You can see, click below to see how image displayed on different devices. If I click here you can see how it's gonna look in computer like this, how it's gonna look on any Android devices, so like this, on iOS devices, there we go, like this, and on TVs it's gonna look like this. You can see here, right? So now what will be the image size which is going to look awesome in even televisions? Well, here you can see if you are not sure about the width and height of an image, download our channel art template. Yeah, click this one, it's going to download a zip file, and you can just go ahead extract it. So now if you extract it, it will look like this. You can see here, right? Click this one, I'm going to open it here. There we go, you can see, and here you can see this is actually, this size is actually TV size, that is actually 2560 by 1440 pixel. So this is actually TV size. So whatever you're going to place it here, it's going to display in TVs, I mean smart TVs, and whatever you place here in, you can see here is actually going to just display in desktop max here, so this much big. If you're just placing your stuff here, it's going to look in tablet mode, nice. And if you just place inside here, it's going to look awesome in desktop minimum and mobile devices. And here you can actually place your text and logo. This is actually a safe area. So if you're just going to place anything here, right here, that will actually going to look awesome in every devices, like in TVs, desktop, mobile. But if you just go ahead and place it around some here, it is going to look awesome in that television, but it's not going to look awesome in this desktop or mobile devices. So this is really important. So you can just go ahead and place your background here, right? And then you can create another one and just place it here. It will going to display your text or something related to your company or brand. Okay, great. So yeah, let me just go ahead hide it. You can see actually YouTube's comes with this particular graphic here. You can just simply just go ahead and create here, right? Great. So first of all, let me just bring it here. So let me just go to this one. This is yeah, and I'm going to decrease its opacity so you can see it very clearly. Opacity is decreased. Great. Now let's go ahead and turn this into this color, obviously. Let me just go ahead and actually I'm going to choose this color overlay here, and there we go, hit OK. Perfect. And you can see it very clearly, it's appearing here. That's great, cool. So let me just go ahead and just decrease its opacity. Here we go. Perfect. You can see it very clearly here. Perfect. Well, I'm just going to make it very simple here. Now we actually have idea, so I'm going to just make it very simple, and now it's your job to make it as awesome as possible. I'm just going to make it very simple here. So I'm going to place here, let me just go to here, and first of all I'm going to click this one, and I'm going to copy this guy, okay, and I'm going to bring it here. There we go. And I'm going to just place it here. You can see. Great. So here is actually going to display our profile picture. Let me show you this profile picture. So we need to just place it after here, right? So yeah, that's fine. So now what I can do basically, let me just go ahead and here what I'm going to do, let me just click here, right? And this is actually this group here. Perfect. So yeah, I'm going to just make it little bit big here, so I can just go ahead, hit Control T to transform it, right? And hold on Shift and Alt key and make it little bit big here. There we go. And I'm going to actually bring it some around here. Perfect. And this is actually signature here, so I'm going to bring it up here, and let me just get rid of signature. I don't need this signature. Well, if you want to place it here, it's really fine. Yeah, that's fine. It's up to you. Let me just place it, so it's fine. Let me just go ahead and place it here. That's great. So okay, fine. Let me just go ahead and decrease it if I'm placing the signature here, because we need to make it really nice here. And what I can do basically, I can get back to here. Let me just sink it a little bit down here. So now it's actually going to look awesome in minimum desktop here. So this is actually now in maximum mode. If I just go ahead and reset to default here, it's going to be minimum here. So let me just go ahead and yeah, that's fine, I guess. Well, we actually we're actually going to just change it later if we need it, right? So now Control S to save it, and now we have done it. Great. So yeah, we have done. Let me just go ahead and hide it, and now you can see there is actually your YouTube channel pic. That's great. Well, if you want to add some kind of a gradient background, it's really up to you. Go ahead. No, just do it. It's really up to you. Even you can just go ahead and place your image, which is going to look only on televisions. Yeah, that's possible here. Yeah, let me show you how you can do that. Well, you can simply just get back to here, and I have this image here. I'm going to bring it here. There we go. And drag and drop it here. There we go. Perfect. Cool. I just go ahead and I'm going to make it big. I know this is a whole big picture, but I'm just going to show you. There we go. Perfect. So just think about it that this is your image. So here you can see this girl is showing here. Well, if you want to just change its direction to here, you can easily do that. You can just go ahead and Control T and right click this one and just go ahead, flip horizontal here, and there you go. It's now turned to horizontal. Great, you can do that really easily. So yeah, you can do that. Let me hit Control Z to get back to here. And now what you can do basically here is that now it's let me just bring this back. Let me just go ahead and decrease its opacity, or just let me hide this image first now. And what you can do basically here, you can just simply create this particular this rectangle here. So you can just go ahead and create this exact rectangle here. Let me show you. You can just go ahead and create this rectangle this much big here. Perfect. There we go. And now what you can do basically here is that you can definitely go ahead and turn this rectangle color to be same. There we go. Perfect. And now what you can do basically here is that just bring it here we go down, and bring this one, and now you can see it's actually got behind here. And let me just go ahead and just just hide it, and you can see there's actually this is not big enough, so Control T, and let me just go ahead, and there we go. Perfect. Cool. And now what you can do basically, you can just go ahead, let me just first of all lock it. So I just locked it here, and let me bring this one right here. There we go. Perfect. And now you can see it here. So now what will happen, that this image is only going to look on televisions. It's not going to appear in any desktop or mobile browser. So there we go. Now in desktop you will only see this part, right? This particular yellow part, and in television you will see entire image here. But there's a one problem. In desktop or mobile devices you will actually have this this particular image here, but in television you will not have that particular image. So now what you can do basically here, you need to include your logo obviously, because it should be recognizable even in television. So for that reason what you can do basically here, that you can just get back to here, and let me just go to this profile pic, and I'm going to just select this one and grab it from there to here. There we go. And now what I'm gonna do basically here is that I'm just going to just make it up here. There we go. So now what I can do basically here, I can just go ahead and let me grab this ellipse tool here. Let me just make this big here. There we go. And instead what I'm going to do basically here, I'm just going to place it in very center here. So there we go. This is actually center there. See, center here. There you go. And I'm going to bring it down, 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 around here. There we go. Perfect. Let me just bring this, behind this one. So now it's actually going to hide behind this bar here. And now what you can do, now it's gonna be great here. So let me just see where is my actually logo. There we go. This is actually logo. Let me just go ahead and make this logo here. Now just go ahead and bring it down. So let me go to just select this logo here, and I'm going to bring it here. We go. Perfect. So yeah, let me just go ahead and make this little up here. We go. Perfect. Cool. So now you can see, now there's actually your logo. So now this logo is only going to appear in your television. It's not going to appear in your desktop or any mobile devices. So yeah, now it's awesome. So now you can just go ahead, hit Control S to save it. Let me go to file here, and now I'm going to export it here. So save for web, and you can see here JPEG maximum optimized sRGB and 2560 by 1440 pixel. That's it. Save. And now what I can do basically here, I can just simply just go to here, get rid of this template here and channel art, hit save, and this I'm saving in desktop my. And now if I get back to here, now see the magic here, that let me just go to here and edit channel art, and here I'm going to upload it. So I click this one, channel art, and wait for till it's get uploaded. And there we go. So here you can see this actually look like in desktop like this, but in television it's going to look like, this logo and this art. This is awesome, and this entire image here, and in mobile it's look like this. So this is great. Now I just go ahead, hit select here, and now you can see how it's look. Well, you can see this looks perfect. Cool. Even if you just go ahead watch in your mobile devices, it's going to look awesome. And if you're watching it in television, you will see this entire image and this logo. That is great. So yeah, this is how you can create YouTube channel art, YouTube channel image. I hope you loved it. If you have any doubt, let me know in the forum and I'll be there to help you. So thank you so much for joining me in this movie. See you in the next movie.